Ho, ho, ho. Happy Friday the 19th. Yes, I guess you can say I am lit. In the best way, don't you think? This is those little lights that Missouri Star had that I didn't light up for you yesterday, and I promised I would, so I'm doing it today. So here it is. Yeah, they are as cute as can be. Yeah, it is kind of cheesy, maybe a little bit with the logo, but they're cute. And in fact, I like them better all lit up than unlit. So, they are bright, and they aren't. I thought maybe they would be kind of a little less bright, but they're very, very bright, and I like that because now it isn't so bad. But then they're adorable. So yes, if I turn them off, there we go. You can see. That's what I'm talking about. Then it's that way, but it's not as noticeable, so it's not all that in your face. So it's okay. It's good. I like them. So I will take this off, and we will get on with the show. How's that? And back again here. So let's talk about yesterday. Missouri Star. Let's start with Missouri Star because I had the papers up here. Missouri Star, we had the beautiful pattern and the puzzle. This was a gorgeous puzzle. And pattern, I always use about $10 on their patterns because that's what you can get them online for. Puzzles, the puzzle was a 400-piece puzzle that was 20 by 20. That was a little bit harder to find, a 20 by 20 puzzle, 400 pieces. But I did, and then because they probably had to have it special made and whatnot, I put about, depending on the puzzle, they ran anywhere from $20 to $45, but I put a $30 value on it. It might be a little conservative. I don't know. Beautiful, nice bag and everything to keep it in. So, that's what I gave it. So a total of $40, which brings us in the black. I keep saying red, but it's black. $129. So for our $199.95 that we purchased our purchase value with, let's round it to 200 and make it easy for me, please. We have $329 worth of value now. So $129 of value above what we paid for. So with that in mind, let's open day 19 of Missouri Star. I don't know. I have no guesses. You're welcome to them. And in 3, 2, 1, open it up. Are you kidding me? Oh, whoa. Okay. Oh, this is great. It's a little mini Ingrid Blooms embroidery. Ingrid's Wildflower Mini Blooms embroidery kit. It's a beautiful tin. This shows you everything inside. And if you're into embroidery, this is lovely. Unbelievable. I've been collecting some of those threads when they go on sale. Looking forward to the day when I can do that. Oh, and it comes with a little mini hoop. How beautiful is that? And you've got some beautiful colors in here. And under this, I happen to know, is one of their little pattern flip charts. Here we go. With, my fingers are not working. They got some more of the stitches in there that you're going to be using, and the colors and how to do the stitches. And then in this thing right here, I believe this has needles, embroidery notions. Okay, embroidery notions. It don't want to come out. It did. There we go. And that's to help you thread the needle. And there's some needles there. Okay. But wait, that's not all. This also is in there. And this has, if I opened it up all the way, has little transfers, peel and stitch, wash away. Yes, Peel and stitch wash away transfers in there. I guess they're not really transfers. If you peel and stick, you stitch right on it, which has the beautiful little flowers like you see around here on that. Ouch. Has little things like that in there. It's so nice. Now I get it. If you are not into any kind of needlework, you're probably sitting there going, okay. All right. You know, when you get on the boxes these size, making everything to your own liking is going to be difficult. We know that. And okay, there's going to be a few things, but if there's only a few things, it doesn't change the value of the box any at all, especially when we're going over the value. And then, okay, you've got a few things, but I happen to really like this. I do like embroidery. In fact, before I loved embroidery, cross stitch. Yeah, that was something I like to do with my hands. It's going to be a little more challenging now, but that's a good challenge for me right now. I need this. So this is good. I am enjoying this one. This is really cool. I'm going to love this, which was why I've been collecting threads for the days where I could, spools of embroidery with it, so I could do this for my hand. This is really cool. I'm going to have fun looking that one up. All right, so now let's move on to soft squares. Well, let's take a break here with the Fat Quarter Shop Jolly Box. We haven't talked about it in a long time. Just for anybody new out there, that is a project-based box. It was a box that had about 5 items in it. It had a 12-piece fat quarter bundle, a big panel with a tree skirt and 2 stockings on it, and it had a quilt pattern, some Aurifil thread, and then a really nice unique ornament in there that kind of matched the whole theme. So if you're project-based and very centered in that direction, that was a great value because we spent about $60 on that, and we got $140, over $100 worth of value. I believe it was like $102 worth of value. So that was a great investment right there if you're project-based. So now on to soft squares. Soft squares, I got little A's right on top, and A's making me real happy because it feels like fabric, but yet this other little thing, there's something else in there that doesn't feel like fabric. I can't quite be sure. But this is the Soft Squares A box, and the A box cost $185. We are at the halfway point now with our value, and well, I'm hoping this is 6 because it looks like 6 if I hold it up right. So this is going to be 6 for us because the 6 and 9 kind of look alike. They're just different colors. Alrighty. Oh, we could talk about the Notion bag from yesterday. Put us gave it a $35 value. Lynn didn't have a price that high, but when I went to look it up the retail, and she bought these, a lot of these things are probably she purchased a year ago, and so though the purchase values probably have gone up on some of these things, I gave it a $35 value, which brings us over the halfway point by a lot. So that gives us, I didn't do the math on that. To carry the one gives us $130 worth of value to our box right now for our investment. So that's pretty good. And now what day 6 will that bring? Because this is the halfway point at 6. I said halfway point earlier. We'd reached the halfway point money-wise before we opened yesterday's. And today we are at the day point, halfway point. This is, oh, yes. Ooh, is this, this feels, what's this say? Delicious here. Oh, add these to your stash. Oh, this is Riley Blake confetti cotton in a la creme. And, that's why it didn't feel like it's 2 fat quarters, Ruby Star fat quarters. This is going to be a yard of the Riley Blake la creme and 2 Ruby Star fat quarters. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh, it's like raspberry and grape there. But wait, there's more. That's what was fooling me. It is the Biscoff. Awesome. Okay, how clever, how clever. Ooh, yes, that is a rockin' day 6. More fabric, we love more fabric, we love more fabric. Okay, let's look at day 19 for the bee box. The bee box. Okay, bee box. After yesterday, the wall hanger that said quilter on it. I put that a value of $29 because that's what they were. If I went them online, they wouldn't have exactly quilter, but very similar ones to that in the same size. And that puts us at $83 in the red. No, the black. In the black, we are long out of the red. We are in the black now by $83. So that means we've gotten over $408 in our box so far. Yeah, from a $325 purchase. The value in there so far is over $400. So, hey, yeah, I'll take that. So let's get this open. It feels like it might be books. No, there's something softer in there. I don't know. Not sure. Big and square. And they fooled me once before and I thought it was a calendar, so. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna love this. What is not to love? Oh my goodness. Look at this. It is layer cake fun here. Yes. Oh my goodness. Layer cakes. Woo! And this is gorgeous. Let's see if I can show a little bit. Oh, the blues. Oh, and the pinks and the creams and the tans. Oh my goodness. Ooh, okay. Those pinked edges make it snow in here. Snowing fabric. And not that, but another thing I've seen it on everybody's site, or I've wanted to try it, and it's called a cake mix recipe, but it's not a cake mix recipe like you think a cake mix, like baking. It's a cake mix like is in fabric layer cake mix recipes, where you can take these blocks and from just using layer cakes. Okay, day 19, recipe number 5 will make several fun blocks. Mix and match or stay with just one style. This layer cake is beautiful. If you attended the fall retreat, you may recognize it. Add solid fabric to the layer cake and you will have a beautiful quilt. And it is sealed the deal down here, so I can't open it easily. Maybe if I run my fingernail does wonderful things. I don't want that to rip. I want to keep it nice because I want to use it. Here we go. See, foundation paper piecing is what this is. And then it gives you ideas on setting the blocks and everything. They're all pretty much the same. There's different things you can do. And they have different numbers of this. There's like number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and this is layer cake mix recipe number 5. So if you want to go look for it and find it and get more papers, you can. See, cake mix 5 right there. Those are different blocks you can do with it. I'm so excited. Oh, this cake couldn't get any better. This is it. It just reached the apex right here. Well, except for the fact it's a half day at school. So it means I can come home early and get on the sewing machine. Oh, yeah. Got to make that happen. All right. Well, y'all have a wonderful day. Find your joy. As I found some this morning. Oh, yeah. I found some. Okay. Find your joy and spread it around. Have a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Joyous Kwanzaa. Whatever you decide to call it, you just make it a good one, filled with joy. All right, everybody. I love you. Bye-bye.